How to find download quality settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find download quality settings on Deezer mobile. First, and open Deezer, and here you will find settings in the top corner. Click on it and then click audio, and now just scroll down. Here you will find the download quality, and here you can manage download quality. Just click on it. You can make it basic or standard or high quality if you want. Just click on it and go back. It will be saved. As you see, it's easy. And download quality now is on high quality. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.